Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our topic of inner exploration is about ignorance. Why we are ignorant about ourselves and we are ignorant about the whole life process. Why ignorance exists with us. We find that we are living with so many divisions. We find that human being is divided in himself and outwardly also. So many divisions are existing with us. This shows that we are ignorant about life. Who has created these divisions? Our own mind, and hence the thought process has created these kind of divisions. It seems that we are satisfied with these divisions. Instead of progressing, we want to live in the past. That's why we are attached with these kind of divisions. Why our mind is dividing the human beings? The most important characteristic of our own mind is that it is always divisive. Whatever it touches, it wants to divide those things. Hence, human mind is very much petty. How it is petty? We will give one example. The caste system in India was founded by Manu. It is said that Manu is one of the most intelligent human beings on the earth. He founded caste system on the basis of human qualities. Later it turned out to be that the basis has birth. The basis of caste system was considered as birth. On the basis of birth, human beings have been divided into 4 categories: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. Now in India it is quite prevalent. People are very much attached to their caste. Caste is a way to economic progress. Jobs are offered on the basis of caste. We can find one caste is against the another caste. In olden days, the highest caste was dominating other castes. Nowadays, we are finding all the castes are fighting amongst themselves. This shows that how our mind is very much divisive and ignorant about our own life. Now, under this situation, what we are supposed to do? We see another kind of divisions also. We say we belong to this race and that race. Aryan is one race and Dravidian is another one race. Again, fight is going on between these two races. Separatism is grown on the basis of these races. Racism is also against the human spirit. It is not for life. It is not for unifying the humanity. But we stand for the unity of all the human beings. We stand for the universal brotherhood of man, because all human beings are created on the same line. Superficially they may have variations. They may have different colors, but inwardly all they are equal. Repeatedly we want to say that all the human beings are one and the same. Their aspirations are same. They want happiness. They think that their life should be joyous. Even after death, they want to go to heaven. They want goodness in life. All this indicates that they want goodness in life. They stand for goodness. But we have divided the human beings on the basis of country, caste, creed, language, religion, etc. These are the creations of our own mind. No divine agency is responsible for this. We human beings are responsible for that. Now, to go beyond these divisions, what is required? Self-knowledge. Self-knowledge means knowing about ourself, oneself, our own mind, how the mind works. Simply, if it is known, we can go beyond all these kind of human-created divisions. All the human beings want to progress. Nobody wants to live in the past. We want to live here and now. We want the happiness of all the human beings. So we must be able to go beyond all these kind of divisions, because all these divisions are created by our own mind. So our brain has the capacity to go beyond all these divisions. It is very simple in a way. If it is understood what is here, so we can go beyond all these human created divisions. The main aim of spirituality is to unite all the human beings, not only the human beings but the whole existence. The real spirituality considers the whole existence as one. It is the awakening of the intelligence. Who is an intelligent person? The intelligent person understands the oneness of life. Life is the ultimate teacher. Life laughs at us because we have created so many divisions. But life has not created any kind of divisions. Even if we observe the animal kingdom, there we don't find such divisions. Only human beings have created these kind of divisions. By self-knowledge, that is, by having a meditative mind, we will be able to go beyond all these kind of divisions. Then we will be flowering into goodness. That goodness is called the greatest order. That is the core of spiritual life. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the spiritual aspect of life.